The Dudbridge Locks Hydro Scheme is more than just a means of generating green, sustainable energy. It is also a means of providing sustainable funding to assist volunteers to maintain a restored heritage canal. The project is located near Stroud in Gloucestershire and is a joint venture between two registered charities. The Cotswold Canals Trust is the biggest canal society in the UK with over 6,600 members, and its main aim is to see the restoration of the historic canal link between the Thames and the Severn. The Stroud Valleys Canal Company has recently been set up to own and operate the canal after it has been restored for the benefit of the public. Opened in 1779, the Stroudwater Canal closed in 1954, and almost immediately the upper part was drained to create a flood relief channel for Stroud. Two local streams, the Slad Brook and the Painswick Stream, were diverted into the new channel. The campaign to restore the canal started in the 1970s, and a few years ago led to the formation of a partnership of interested bodies and to the securing of substantial funding from the Heritage Lottery Fund and others to enable 6 of the most difficult miles of the canal to be restored under the overall leadership of Stroud District Council. This project is currently underway, with missing bridges being rebuilt, locks being restored, and the channel being dredged and the infill removed. A key part of this restoration involves turning the 1950s flood relief channel back into a navigable canal, and it is this that has opened up the opportunity to build in a hydro scheme. The hydro scheme takes water from above the upper lock of 2 at Dudbridge, just downstream of Stroud, and discharges it below the lower one, creating a respectable 5-metre head. Due to the variable nature of the flow, a cross-flow turbine has been chosen that can work efficiently with flows between 0.117 to 0.7 cubic metres per second. The maximum output is 23 kilowatts, and this should generate over 118,000 kilowatt hours in an average year, with a net income of about £21,000. The project is being managed by volunteers, and pupils from Marling School, which is right next to the site, are learning about technology and engineering through active involvement in the scheme. Planning permission and the EA licences necessary to operate the scheme have been already secured. The scheme has been designed and work has started on the civil engineering part of the project that includes the intake, pipeline and turbine house. All that is needed now is the rest of the funding to complete the project. The estimated total cost is about £300,000, with £160,000 raised to date. Another £70,000 is anticipated or has been applied for. This leaves a further £70,000 to find. We are looking to the People Fund to secure £20,000, but we would be delighted if this was exceeded, thus making inroads into the final £50,000 of our overall target. Please remember that giving to this project does more than help build a sustainable source of green energy. It also creates a legacy that will help keep the restored canal open and maintained for future generations. Thank you.